Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best wood carving chisels that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Amazon Basics Wood Carving Chisel Set. The Amazon Basics Wood Carving Chisel Set, 8-piece, is an ideal choice for hobbyists and DIY enthusiasts looking for quality without a hefty price tag. You'll appreciate the variety of chisels, ranging from 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch, perfect for tackling different projects. The heat-treated chrome vanadium steel blades arrive sharp, cutting effortlessly through wood. With comfortable contoured handles, you'll reduce hand strain and improve accuracy. The included honing guide and sharpening stone keep your tools in top shape. Plus, the blow-molded storage case keeps everything organized. This set offers great value, making it a smart entry-level option. Moving on at number 4, we have the Wood Carving Kit with 12 wood chisels and canvas case. Looking for a versatile wood carving kit that caters to both beginners and seasoned artisans? This wood carving kit offers 12 chisels, a wooden mallet, and a 400D canvas pouch, perfect for projects like reliefs and figurines. The vanadium steel chromium alloy blades, hardened to C60, promise sharpness and durability after 2 months of polishing. Handles made from white ash have an octagonal design to prevent rolling, with chamfered ends for stability. The nylon hammer's ergonomic handle minimizes fatigue while effectively transferring force. While reviews are mixed, the kit's versatility is praised, supported by a 3-year warranty and reliable customer service. At number 3, we have the Schaaf Wood Carving Tools Set of 7 with Canvas Case. Uncover the Schaaf Wood Carving Tools Set of 7 with Canvas Case, perfect for both beginners and seasoned woodworkers seeking durability and versatility. You'll get chisels and gouges made from high-quality chromium vanadium steel, hardened to Rockwell C60, ensuring they last a lifetime. The sturdy blades are ready for heavy mallet use, while the included ebook guides you through sharpening and care. Though initial prep is needed, users find them comfortable, especially if you've got larger hands. Schaaf's set is a budget-friendly choice, offering good value and customer support, with a robust community to enhance your carving journey. At number 2, we have the BeaverCraft Wood Carving Kit. For wood carving enthusiasts seeking precision and comfort, the BeaverCraft Wood Carving Kit SC05 stands out as an excellent choice. This 6-piece set, made in Ukraine, includes a wood carving knife, palm gouges, chisels, and a V-tool. Crafted with lightweight ash wood handles and high-carbon steel blades, it guarantees comfort for long sessions. The tools excel in shaping, detailing, and texturing, though they're not mallet compatible. With a 4.5-star rating from 271 reviews, users often praise its sharpness and quality. Just be cautious, these tools are sharp enough that some users joke about needing a band-aid included. And finally, at number 1, we have the Hurricane 4-piece wood chisel set for woodworking. The Hurricane 4-piece wood chisel set stands out as an ideal choice for beginners and hobbyists venturing into woodworking. With drop-forged, chrome vanadium steel blades, these chisels offer excellent edge retention. Their bevel edges work well on soft, hard, and laminated wood, making them versatile for various tasks like carving or channel digging. Sizes range from 1/4 to 1 inch, fitting many projects. The durable PVC handles provide a comfortable grip, though gloves are recommended to prevent minor injuries. Users appreciate the sharpness and functionality, noting its great value for beginners, despite the absence of a storage bag. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.